Hey, I'm Mike Windy. If you ever find yourself on vacation in a bathroom that has a shower, you might want to think about making some sound art. Audacity with a microphone, a little Danelectro amplifier, and a Korg contact mic, and you'll be in business. So we'll set Audacity there. We're going to plug our mic up here. Most hotels have this cord that you use to dry clothes. Stretch it out tight as possible, then it gets tight here, and you can probably hear that a little bit. Let's bring our microphone in here. I'm going to start recording because we can always edit it later. We'll bring our Korg mic here. And then we've got our bottle as a slide. Use a spoon if you have one for a pick. You can do all sorts of cool stuff. From there, whatever you've captured on Audacity, you can stretch it, you can add distortion, you can add reverb, you can reverse it, but this is just a really cool setup that you might not normally think about having access to that can give you some really, really cool sound